This is the video of the Kadlaon boys in adventure in the Oraya's deforestation. Look, this is the deforestation that's been made to expand the subdivision in here.
Okay.
And look,
Let's run.
they said that they will eat an antique. Hey, by the way, I am Limuel. Look, antiques.
And this is a man versus wild. I will teach you how to do diving. Survival skills. You know that?
Look.
You will learn survival skills
Hapit ko mahulog.
through our knowledge in nature. Get out. Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
We graduate from UP
Ibutang.
Adventure mode.
We will go to that backhoe there.
Okay.
Very,
Let's survival
very
skills.
far.
Jurassic Park. If you don't have any water, just do this.
Survival tip. If you don't have any water at home, you will just drink it. Oh, like
Just
that. Yeah.
Oh,
like that. Yeah, like that, man, like that. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's
Pa! Fucker.
Let's move.
You can.
That's the survival tip of Maria.
Dito mga to dito eh. Hindi lang ta.
Di may mga to dito kinagitrabaho dito. Dili nila may matayon dito sa bako. So ang tao nga naging sumama mo bakang.
Tago dito. Dagan dito okay na na.
Siyo eh.
Magtago ko.
Dito para mapo.
Magtago. Ay.
Isa may.
For ito.
Ay, hot food.
Ano ni ko?
O, tara, dito.
Asang tinood na video.
Ay, mar, diri lang. May mar niya. Kamu, dito man mo. Chupacabra. Chupacabra man ni Maria. Magpakita lang may kalit.
Dito may magsugod sa...
Asa ka rin nakaking ko na chupacabra?
Jackie Chan.
Sino yung nanay king ko sa 21 chupacabra? Ay! Sa, itong babae ba? Itong mga uwagan kayo?
Aniyoko?
Dili! Sa before pa sa Aniyoko, ito na pa yung Blue Dragon.
Ay, mar, dito tamaan kay kamurag bato-bato dito. Murag. Sige ba?
Ay, dira lang.
Dili kay kagubatan.
Pero katawa sa Aniyoko.
The force of nature. Panglalo man tong king ko eh. Si Mix ba? Ganahan kayo to si Mix.
Uy, limol dito lang ka, limol.
Katawanan kayo.
Ikaw may nagabidyo sa Lost Tape.
Kita bear?
Ay, Bear Lake Monster.
Now we'll see you on the part 2 of the Kadlaon Boys adventure.